guys, I'm Daiwik. Today I'm doing a germ experiment. This germ experiment will teach you about the importance of hand washing. We need a glass of water, and about a plate or a bowl, a pepper for the germs, and liquid soap. The water is for the skin of yours. Let's put some water on the plate. Okay, that's it. Sprinkle pepper in the plate, like this. Okay, pretend the pepper is a germ and the water is your skin. Now let's put the finger in the pepper. What will happen? Whoa! 2 germs stick to my finger. But something needs to protect my finger to get rid of these germs. That's why we need liquid soap. Let's put 1 finger, dip to this liquid soap, and then lightly dip it to the pepper. See? I'll do it again. The germs spread out to the corner. No germs came to my other finger. This got a little bit germs, but this has no. That's why you need to wash your hands frequently. Like whenever you went to the shop with your parents or play with your friends, you need to wash your hands because the germs that you touched outside will come to your skin, and especially in COVID-19. That's why you need to wash your hands every single day. Please subscribe, ring a bell. See you next time. Bye!